Now it's time to add a little more exterior trim. Let's get started. Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Ride In Style. And before I throw these on real quick, I just wanted to do a real quick comparison. So I initially ordered these sight unseen online, wanted the gloss black, and when they came in, this is what I got, even though the advertisement said gloss black. Now I was not happy with it because it's not. It's just a plastic flat black. So I had to do some more digging and find, and I finally did get these. As you can see, these are legit gloss. Like, there is your difference in comparison, which is the whole theme for my car, right? So my whole point is I spent good money on these and I didn't get what I wanted. So you got to just continue to go after what you really want. And another thing I noticed is the N and the U in Forerunner are the exact same pieces. I mean, that's so smart. You can just use, essentially have three of the exact same pieces. Just invert it to create the word Forerunner, as well as this piece here, all in the gloss black, and I will be putting these on now. And so this is the area that will be switched from the factory chrome to the emblems that I just showed you. Now, one thing that I did want to compare for the Forerunner is that there's two different size emblems. So the larger one actually goes in the front, but I took that grill out, so I won't be using the front grill. And then the back one is the smaller one, and it should fit very nicely. And so this area will look very different, just like that. So there it is. What do you think? It's all in the gloss now. I even had this bracket here wrapped in a gloss black, same with the roof racks and the front grille portion. License plate frame. It's all coming together, guys. It's all the theme, like I used that word, probably overused that word by now, but what do you think? You think this looks better than the stock chrome? Even matches the black buttons there. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment.
Yeah.